Hey Lisa, so I think you're right on mine as well. My client portal, when you click to call, it goes to the Thrive number. So let's try this. I have to fix it on mine too. So go to Online Presence, Client Portal, and then click Edit Client Portal, and then click to call, so Action Buttons, and then here in the drop down Edit, click to call, and here you go. So just change this phone number to, well, you can use default phone number, and you should have your business phone number, or you can just edit it, hit save, and done editing. And now it should work. Let me test it on my phone just because I'm not logged in there. And click to call. There you go. So that will fix that. Hope this helps.